$7. That's 18 eggs for $4. Grab those schmeats on top. That's $1.02 a dozen. All right, let's go. What's next?
Hot dog.
Grab some yips.
Get a box below the wieners.
We need 2 of them?
We need a lot of them wieners.
Resealable packages. That's $10 for 60 ho dogs.
I'll buy some wine.
Are we gonna look down this yolker?
Might as
That's
well.
all frozen schmeat though.
This is snouts and bread.
Ooh, insulated bags. My grandma has those, and those are the boy. Tell me how you feel,
We
James.
need some.
I'm feeling pretty yiffed right now.
Uncrustables.
I'm ready.
Can you explain to the viewers what yift means?
Dude. Cinnamon
Waffles.
Toast Crunch bites.
Dude, there's 72 waffles right there.
No, we're making pancakes. We don't need those.
Do we need to get plates?
Oh, we do need plates big time. Find the cheapest plate you can find. Those are like heavy duty schmeats.
But they're the good boys. Don't get styrofoam ones for sure, because we need to be able to burn them. Here we go. These are the boys right here.
How much? Those are $17, you big yip.
Oh my yip. Never mind. Oh yes.
Fall?
That should be plenty of plates. How much is that, Schmeat?
80 count.
Why are they so expensive? What else do we need? We're going to check out?
I think we're going. I'm pretty sure we broke our $70 budget.
Oh, definitely.
James, are you just using your card?
Yeah, Sam's Club card.
What?
Yeah.
This man's got a Sam's card.
Hopefully we didn't blow the budget.
You probably did, honest.
Dude, look at all the bread.
The big carbs.
Here's the real gains right here.
Gained on.
We got a big camping trip planned.
We did the
And we got to feed a bunch of boys.
Good thing you didn't look.
Dude, we're already at $30. Watch out.
That's because that's the meat's expensive. See, it's all like 3, 2, 2, 3, and then it's 16. This meat's getting expensive.
It's going to be at least 90.
No, it's not, because that was only like 4. So we're gonna stay about $90-something.
James, we went so
Oh my god. Total is 90.79.
I got 80.
That's 80.
Yeah. Or yep.
$8. Yep. Insert. It's been penetrated. Now we wait. No.
Let me just film your PIN
Where's
number.
my $10?
You wish you were getting my PIN number. My mom's card got denied like 8 times. She called the company and they were like, "Oh, that card's outdated." And the lady's been looking. She's like, "Hoorah!"
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Oh, it is raining.
You want me to go get the big car?
Yeah, bring the car up here. And the TV's in the back still, isn't it? Oh my yeah, we're just gonna have to yoke it in the back seat.
With these doors, they're slow as crap.
Yeah, bring the car. Yes.
I'm sorry, I just drove through.
Yoke it in.
Get the heavy sweet in there first so it don't crush anything.
Save all the bread for the end.
Oh my God,
What else do we need cans to go in there?
I may go 3 or 4. Yeah, that girl, because I don't do anything.
I've got the AC on full so the meat doesn't yolk.
Where do you want me to put these eggs? So
Look how much gains that man's getting.
There.
Bread man.
Place.
Gains. Got all this gains, is that it?
Yeah. Dab.
I'll offer you a ride. Right, like over there, but I don't have room.
We
I
should
literally have like a TV in the back and games in the back seat.
We should offer to help that lady.
Too late.
I'll do it. You wanna go, Charlie?
No.
Let's go help that lady. Come on, Sean, let's go. Let's go be good citizens. Show the people of the internet how to be.
Nope. Let's get out of here. I'm leaving, Jacob.
Oh, we need to go to Walmart now and get Tiki Torch.
What?
We have to go to Walmart now and get Tiki Torch fuel.
Dude, it's cold as yiff in here.
Get the seatbelt on.
Alright, we gotta yiff and go because we got perishables. Oil and charcoal, right?
Yeah, we need charcoal. Here we go. Tiki Schmeat right here.
Oh, here, here's torch fuel. Would this be enough?
Oh, here's a bigger Schmeat over here for a better deal.
These are $8.
You're supposed to get the one that has, yeah, citronella. That keeps the mosquitoes away too.
Lid.
This is the booster wish list right here. Batmobile,
I want
the big Ford, the Gator up there, and Barbie. Excuse me, Cinderella.
Ooh, look at the big police Tahoe.
How much are they? Only like 400 bucks though.
That one's only 300, 250.
Only? Dude, I'm gonna yip this tricycle.
That one's 400 bucks. Ow, that hurts.
West Rome Glow Games.
What's a West Rome Glow game?
It's tonight, 6:30 to 8. And it's dodgeball tonight.
What are you men doing
That's
here?
nasty.
Dude, it's fun. You should come.
Now I
You like
gotta.
playing dodgeball?
Nah,
We got cold meat in the car that needs to get put in the fridge.
my meat's getting hard and bad.
It's bodies.
I'm gonna leave. All right.
I thought you might want to leave.
Okay.
What the f, Dalton?
This thing's massive.
For the homemade AC yoke?
So it'll fit like that. Hopefully, we'll cut YIF.
And we may end up finding a bigger styrofoam box.
And we'll put it like YIF, because that's only $1.50. If we find another one, we'll
How much is this fan though?
this YIF?
That's not battery yoke though.
It's less than $10. All of these are less than $10.
Yeah.
Oh, this YIF's getting expensive. $1.50.
Please wait for assistance.
Why?
So 2 sliders.
The one you should get in the bag.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, James. See how much those are. If those are a lot, then I'm not getting them. Throw it in there.
Ready? This is the big yolk though. It's gonna yolk you.
Oh my god.
There you go, Biggins.
So what was it, $80 at Sam's? 90. Just yolked right out in front of that man. Yolk it in. Fuck, this fan better be worth it.
We bought so much crap.
Here you go, sir.
Dude. Make sure nobody's coming.
Well, that concludes our shopping.
Yep. Let's get out of here. Oh my.
Start the big yoker up. That man's probably just watching us on the security cameras like, what the f are those kids doing?
Yeah, I know. You want to look at the back real quick and make sure everything's good?
Yeah. It's happening, boys.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm slightly scared.
Yeah.
That thing is huge.
The amount of responsibility we have now, that you signed the thing,
Yeah, I know. It's me. I am the only one liable if something goes wrong.
but it's happening.
Oh, this is us. We're leaving.
Dude. Hold on, I gotta get a Snapchat of this. Tell us about this U-Haul, James.
It's 26 feet and sucks down gas. Welcome to the home for the next couple of days.
Look at the yoke. Thing's a beast. That steering wheel is huge.
It is fast.
It's only been like 5,000 miles too. So it has been brand new, like you said.
Need some airflow.
All right, let's get to packing. Schmeat. Alright, so what we're thinking is we're gonna cut the top off right here and put the fan in there. And then we're gonna drill 2 sides right there and right here. And put these little yips sticking out for our vents. Yoke that thing on.
That's good.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to cut it and then just seal it with duct tape.
Well, we're gonna have to yoke that back together.
I think the problem is it's wider.
Yeah, the blade is so fat.
Let's try this.
Gotta get the right tool for the job. We'll need some trimming.
Once we yip it on there, we'll put some Schmeat right there to seal it. That should be good.
Getting her all sealed up here. Always cleaning up the mess.
I don't know why it looks so burnt and nasty. It's clearing up.